Namaste, good morning, dear students. It's a great privilege to be come on the screen today. So myself is Dr. Ravi Meti. I am working as an assistant professor of English in Government First Grade College, Bhalki of Bidar district. So friends, today we shall have a glance over the literary musing the text, which is prescribed for the BSc first semester. It is CBCS syllabus. Okay, this is basic English. So we shall have a glance over the poetry. So let us today in this particular session, we shall have the topic of this particular period, Journey of the Maggie, which is written by T.S. Eliot. So the full form of T.S. means Thomas Strings Eliot, who was born on 26th September 1888, and in the year of 4th January he was died in the year of 1965. T.S. Eliot not only was a poet, also essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critics and editor. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇರೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಟಕಕಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕ್ ವಿಮರ್ಶಕನು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದನು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಸಂಪಾದಕರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, he was considered one of the great poet of 20th century and major poet. He is central figure in English language modern poetry. As a modernist. T.S. Eliot was born in US, United States of America. Later on his family moved into the England and settled there in England and took the citizenship of in England. He studied in the France and let us see the famous works of T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was written lot of works, among them the Wasteland. It is very famous one, The Hollow Man, Ash Wednesday, Four Quatrains. These are the famous works of T.S. Eliot. So let us see, come into the point before we enter into the poet and the poem Journey of the Maggie. So what do you mean by poetry? You have already studied in your previous classes. It may be in the second year PUC, first year, 10th, before that high school. So poetry nothing but literary work it is, which is the expression of feelings and ideas is given intensity by the use of distinctiveness, style and rhyme and rhythm. Poems collectively are as a genre of literature. So poetry can be studied in the form of stanza, it is in the form of verse ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಚರಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. It may in the form of song, rhyme, like that it is moving up and down. It may be we study UKG LKG students, we teach them rhymes, Johnny yes papa, like that. It is in the form of very short, it's complete within the 1 hour 2 hours, but not as prose, it is long narrated. So let us see, coming to the point, difference between poetry and prose. Prose always follows the natural pattern of speech and communication. It is, we make a lot of communication conversations with the students, and it is in the form of paragraph. It's a form of pattern. It gives a long story, whereas poetry is a traditional, has a deliberate pattern such as rhyme and rhythm. Prose has grammatical structure with sentence and paragraphs, as well as Poetry has many formal material structures, repeating patterns of beats. So these are the difference between prose and poetry. I hope you have understood well. In the next session, we shall have a synopsis of this particular poem, that is Journey with the Maggie. I have given some multiple choice questions, that is called MCQs. You please go through these particular slides, and there are a lot of references there, and you can go through the references and you can get in more details about the poetry as well as the poet T.S. Eliot. So thank you very much. Have a great day.